In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly in LinkedIn. If you're someone who uses LinkedIn to connect professionally and Calendly to schedule meetings efficiently, integrating these two tools can save you time and streamline your workflow. Calendly is a powerful scheduling platform that eliminates the back and forth of setting up meetings, while LinkedIn is the go-to network for professional connections. By linking them together, you can make it easy for your LinkedIn contacts to book time with you directly. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into both your LinkedIn and Calendly accounts. This step is important because you'll need access to both platforms during the integration process. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're logged in, head over to the Calendly homepage. This is where you'll begin setting up the integration. Now look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel of options. Locate the one labeled Integrations and Apps and click on it. This section is essentially your toolbox for connecting Calendly with other platforms, including LinkedIn. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to integrations. Next, scroll down the page until you find the LinkedIn integration option. It might be tempting to explore other integrations while you're here, but stay focused on LinkedIn for now so we can complete the setup smoothly. Once you've located LinkedIn, click on it to proceed. Now you'll see an option labeled Download for Chrome. Go ahead and click on it. What this does is provide you with the extension needed to link your Calendly account with LinkedIn. Using this browser extension simplifies the process and ensures the two platforms communicate seamlessly. At this point, your browser will open a new window, prompting you to confirm the installation of this extension. Click on Add to Chrome to proceed. This step is crucial because it grants your browser the permissions it needs to install and use the Calendly tool. Without this confirmation, the integration won't work properly. After the extension is installed, take a moment to verify that it has been successfully added to your browser. You should see the Calendly tool now accessible directly within LinkedIn. This confirmation step is important to ensure the integration is complete and functional. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with LinkedIn. Now your professional connections can easily schedule time with you directly through your LinkedIn profile. This saves time for both you and your network, making scheduling effortless. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.